Hello, this is Mr. Lorline with your weekly roundup for Honors ELA from October 12th until October 16th. So we are going to continue reading The Hobbit this week. We're actually going to finish with chapter 18 on Friday, meaning that we are one chapter away until the end of the story because there are 19 chapters. We're going to continue focusing on theme, context clues, and how elements of a story are affecting each other in the story. On the language arts end, we're going to wrap up, or you should have wrapped up your research, and so we're going to be creating our works cited page using the website easypeg.com. Then we're going to talk about in-text citation, what that looks like in an essay. We're going to start writing our research essay with an introductory paragraph, and then begin working on the body paragraphs on Thursday and Friday. So that is your weekly roundup for Honors ELA 7 for this week.